Nigeria and you want to start earning money online for free, then pay close attention, because in this video, I'll show you a legit app that pays you in Naira just by completing simple tasks. Hi, my name is Gift and welcome to my channel at Digital with Gift, where I teach you how to make money online, learn digital skills, and improve your life as a student or side hustler. Friends, in today's video, I'll be showing you a full step-by-step tutorial on GoJelly, how to sign up, how to start earning, and how to withdraw your money. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. And I'll be showing us the testimonies people has given about GoJelly and the website which I screen recorded for us to know if this GoJelly website is legit. Mind, it's free, so stay till the end of this video so you don't miss anything. So first of all, what is GoJelly? GoJelly is a free platform where you get paid to complete simple tasks like surveys, offers, and small online activities. The best part, you don't need any investment to start, and you can earn directly in Naira. Now let me show you how to create your account. Step 1, open your browser and go to the GoJelly website. Step 2, click on sign up. Step 3, enter your details, your email, username, and password. Step 4, verify your email address. Once you're done, log into your dashboard. When you log in, this is what your dashboard looks like. Here, you'll see your balance, available tasks, surveys you can complete. Take a few seconds to explore the dashboard so you understand where everything is. Now let's talk about how to actually make money. There are different ways to earn on GoJelly. Number 1, surveys. You answer simple questions and get paid. Number 2, offers back. These may include signing up on websites or testing apps. Number 3, tasks, simple activities like watching videos or clicking links. Important tip, always read instructions carefully before starting any tasks to avoid disqualification. Now let's be realistic. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but if you stay consistent, you can make small daily income that adds up over time. This is perfect for students and anyone looking for a side hustle. Now, how do you get your money? Once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, go to the withdrawal section, select your payment method, enter your details, submit your request. And that's it. Before I end this video, here are some important tips. Be consistent, don't skip instructions. Avoid creating multiple accounts, check the app daily for new tasks, and hope we still remember my promise to use the screen recorded video of GoJelly. Now let's get into it. If you found
So go over to your laptop or your phone, Android or iPhone, anyone you are using, any device you are using, then you go to your Google and type GoJelly. They have the website and they also have the app, but we are going to use the website. So you click the website, it brings you to this interface. Once it brings you to this interface, you see what they write: earn real money online in Nigeria with competence, complete social media tasks, app downloads, crypto promotions, surveys, and micro jobs. Earn daily directly to your Nigerian bank account. So GoJelly is a legit platform and it is verified by users. Right here it says start earning for free. It is a free platform that you can start earning. You don't have to pay anybody to start doing anything. It is a free platform. In complete tasks and surveys, then you earn in Naira. See here, see what they write here. It says registered Nigerian workers, 39,923 plus registered Nigerian workers, 50 million plus total paid out to workers, 1,754 plus tax completed, and then daily bank withdrawal process. You can see it says withdraw to Money Points, OPay, PalmPay, and also bank transfer, and plus all Nigerian banks. Right here, it says simple process. Start earning in 3 steps. No experience needed, no setup capital, just a smartphone and a Nigerian account. Right here, it says stress-free account. Sign up in 2 minutes with your phone number. No ID required, no activation fee, completely free forever. It's a very complete free platform or app, but I prefer using the platform. 2, it says complete simple tasks. Browse available tasks, follow pages, download apps, join groups, write reviews. Each takes 2 to 10 minutes to complete. Right here it says withdraw your earnings. Money goes straight to your bank, to your Nigerian bank account, GTB, Access, Kuda, Opay, any bank, same day processing. Here, task categories on GoJelly. Right here we have Instagram tags, we have Telegram tags. See, the Instagram tags pays from 100 Naira to 500 Naira. The Telegram tags pays from 150 to 400. The crypto promotion pays from 200 to 2,000. App downloads pays from 500 to 7,000. YouTube tags pays from 100 Naira to 400. TikTok tags pays from 100 Naira to 500 Naira, sorry. Referral companies and so on and so forth. Okay, guys, this is completely free. Okay, you don't have to pay anybody. You don't have to beg for anybody to take you or to refer you, blah blah blah. Just go to your website, search for the app and or the website, just start using it immediately. Right here it has 2 options. You can apply for worker. If you want to apply for worker, you apply for worker. Well, the second option is you can also apply for business. Yeah, you can apply for business, and both you start for free. You don't have to pay anybody for anything. You are going to start it for free. It is completely free. Nobody is charging you a dime. I repeat, nobody is charging you a dime. So if you like, you apply for worker. If you want to promote your business or something like that, you apply for business. Yes. So right now, let's head over to Nigerians, to where people are giving testimonies. Real people, real earnings. You say Nigerians are earning daily on GoJelly. Over 50 million Naira plus paid out to 39,900 plus verified Nigerian workers since launch. Yeah, this is Amaka Okonkwo, and she said, I was skeptical at first, but after my first withdrawal, I never looked back. GoJelly pays every time. I've withdrawn 34 times, and it's always hits my access bar. Same day, my family can't. So GoJelly, she have already earned 280,000 total. Says Kabi Musa. I'm a student at BUK. GoJelly earns me 65,000 to 80,000 more, more than most people's first salary. It is quite true. I do tasks between lectures on my Techno phone. Best platform in Nigeria for online earnings. She always earned she have already earned 70,000 Naira per month. Yeah, she earns 70,000 Naira per month. Here is Choma Easy. GoJelly is legit. GoJelly is 100% legit. Yes, I've tested so many platforms. Most are scams. GoJelly never met me for a single Naira and has paid me over 190 Naira total. I recommend it to everybody. She recommends GoJelly. This one is not even from me, sir. This one is from person that already used it. She recommends it for everybody to use GoJelly. GoJelly is 100% trusted and tested by many users, especially in Nigeria. I don't know for any other country, but for Nigeria. As we can see here, they are live. They're already paying peoples. And so on and so forth. So thank you for watching this video. I advise you to go and download GoJelly. It is good. It is best for us to start using as a student, as a stay-at-home mom, and anyone that wants to as his use it.
I'll let get into it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to @digitalwithgift for more ways to make money online. Also, I have a powerful ebook that teaches students how to turn messy notes into A+ assignments. Check the link in the description.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.